Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to replace a Nissan Leaf battery. We will cover the various battery pack options and their associated prices. You will also learn about the key factors that influence the total replacement cost. Finally, we will briefly outline the general steps involved in getting a new battery installed. This information will help you make an informed decision. The cost of a replacement battery pack for your Nissan Leaf depends on its capacity. For instance, a 24 kilowatt-hour pack might be around $5,500. A 30 kilowatt-hour battery typically falls between $3,500 and $5,000. Moving to larger capacities, a 40 kilowatt-hour pack is usually $6,500 to $7,500. The largest 62 kilowatt-hour packs can range from $8,500 to $15,000. Several factors influence the total cost of a Nissan Leaf battery replacement. Beyond the battery itself, labor charges usually add about $1,000 to the overall price. The specific battery capacity and whether you choose a new or refurbished unit also play a big role. Refurbished options are often more budget-friendly. Always check your vehicle's warranty, as it might cover a portion of the replacement cost. Replacing a Nissan Leaf battery is a complex procedure best handled by professionals. It involves safely deactivating the high-voltage system and carefully removing the old, heavy battery pack from underneath the vehicle. Specialized lifting equipment is essential for this step. The new or refurbished battery is then precisely installed, and all connections are secured. This ensures your Leaf operates safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.